Hey everyone, hope you all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how you can generate unlimited AI images for free without any sign up or paid subscription. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open freegen.app. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the website opens, you will see an interface like this. Here you can either upload a reference image or type your own prompt. For this video, I'm using my own prompt, but you can also take help from ChatGPT to create amazing prompts for your images. After entering your prompt, select your preferred aspect ratio and simply click on Generate button. Now, wait for a few seconds and don't worry, that's completely normal. So let's wait and let the AI tool generate the AI image according to the prompt we provided. And here we go, our first AI generated image is ready and it perfectly matched the prompt we provided. Now let's try generating another image. Once again, enter your prompt. I am using another one of my own, but you can create any prompt you like. After entering the prompt, you can keep the same aspect ratio or change it according to your needs and then click on Generate again. Also, wait a few more seconds while the image is being created. And finally, our second AI image has also been generated successfully, exactly according to the prompt we provided. With this amazing tool, you can generate unlimited AI images for free, and the best part is there's no watermark at all. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.